How to fix Snapchat working badly in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, make sure your Snapchat will be updated to latest version. If you want to check your Snapchat will be updated or not, then open App Store and search here Snapchat. Now here you can see my Snapchat will be updated. If it doesn't update, then update your Snapchat, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And then slide this icon to right side to restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then reinstall your Snapchat and then install again. After install Snapchat, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.